That's made up because I already knew that word, because don't mistake that will be a bad practice to make a close relation without fully comprehending the sentence. So just to clear that up. Now let's say that I want to check this one as well. So Control O, enter,
Apprehension.
search, copy paste, fine. It's not on my collection. Perhaps there's awkward. Here it's awkward, but it's the pronunciation. Here is one item. So that's one example of the English collection, that instead of using a description and I have to recall awkward, you have synonyms. It's hawking. And even though you have the answer of both, clumsy and awkward, because they are very similar to each other.
Gawky.
And then you have it used on other items. That's why you only have the pronunciation of awkward. You don't have the item to recall awkward, because that is already used in a synonym expression. So you only make one connection, that
Hulking.
awkward is equivalent to hulking. So most likely, if now I look for hulking, I will have one description in the question, and the answer will be hulking. That's actually not the case. So perhaps if I need to, I will create one own item for myself to know what it is. Perhaps it's clumsy, because it's a three-way relationship. And there's even a fourth expression to mean the same: awkward, clumsy, ungainly, and the other is hulking. So I have four.
Gauche. Maladroit. Clumsy.
And even more, because this now it's only on region specific to British for clumsy.
Heavy-handed. Clumsy. Inept. Clumsy.
And then you have expression that means the same, but on a specific context. In this case will be football. And it's colloquial, so that will be more like Urban Dictionary kind of thing.
Inept.
Inept. Okay, this already exists in Spanish as well. It's the same. That's a cognate, and it still makes the same clumsy remark.
Hulking.
So you have lots of
Inept.
idiomatic
Inept.
expressions, rational expressions, colloquial expressions, synonyms. So it's very, you can tell that the English collection, it's very rich in this case for awkward. And on unrelated items, you have been used the expression awkwardly.